Here's the question I'm going to answer, and this time I'm going to answer it from my iPhone using the Facebook app. And the question is this: how do I figure out what email address is associated with my Facebook account? Now, on the desktop, it was pretty easy to do. It was like 3 clicks, but it's a few more clicks on the cell phone. But it's the same basic process. You click on About. Under About, you can see right here is my details. This is all my YouTube channels, my LinkedIn, my website, but it's not my phone number. But look here, see your About info. If I click on that, this brings up everything. There's my phone number up top, and if I scroll down far enough, and there's the email addresses. I have 2 email addresses associated with this Facebook account. Again, all this information is also under settings. I click on my profile picture in the bottom right, and I go and find settings. It's down the bottom here somewhere, settings and privacy. So I click on settings now. There it is there, personal details. Click on that. And personal details down near the bottom. And then again, there's my contact information. Let me click on that. My email addresses and phone numbers. Again, it's way easier just to look at your About section and look at personal details under About sections on the Facebook app on a cell phone. Hey, I'm Teddy. My purpose is to help you make this a little bit easier. I hope this has been helpful for you.